Hey guys, in this video, it's going to be really quick, but I wanted to show you how you can use AI vision within Clay to automatically classify different websites and to be able to scan the website and pick up things through imaging, essentially. I don't think many people actually know about this functionality, so I thought it was quite cool and worth sharing, essentially. I have a workflow here where we're working with a web design agency, or rather we position them as a immersive digital experiences. They also do videos, right? A really cool angle that we have come up with and we've started testing and they've already booked calls with it is we want to check, do they currently have a video on their website? And if they do, then we don't want to reach out with video messaging, right? We want to reach out about something else. But if they don't have a video on their website, as in explain a video or anything on the homepage, then it's a really good opportunity to reach out to them and say, hey, you don't have a video. We can make really cool videos. Would you like one? That kind of thing, right? So that's one particular use case, but you can obviously think about what this could be used for. And it's actually really accurate, which really surprised me. So I'm going to show you here. If you come over to the right table, I'll show you what the prompt looks like. And it's a slightly different it's a slightly different user interface here with this when it's ChatGPT Vision, analyze image, right? Again, you want to connect your API key, and then what it will do is analyze a homepage screenshot to determine if there are any videos visible, look for, and then obviously it's just giving an overview of what to look for here, and then output literally video or no. So if they have video, it'll say video, and if they don't, it'll say no. And then you just feed it the website URL, and then should screenshot full web page. So essentially what it's going to do is it's going to screenshot the full web page. Then ChatGPT now has the ability to analyze that image and tell you, is there a video on their website or is there not, right? And you can use this for so many different use cases. This is just the first one that I've actually fleshed out here. We're also using it to score whether or not the website is really good quality or not. Because sometimes it's pretty difficult to do that with just via obviously HTML and text and stuff, getting actual image of the website. Now you don't get to see the image that it pulls, but I'll show you some examples and how it's pretty accurate. So for example, here it says video, and if we click on here and check the website out, we can see there is a video, right? And it's got that because there's a play button. And again, you can be more specific with the prompt. This is just what we've put in, but as the play button, for example, I'll show you a few more examples. Video. Cool. And you can see video here, right? So it is really accurate, actually, again, which surprised me. I thought it would be less accurate. And if we click on one that says no, for example, you'll see that there's no website, no video on the website. So load for a second. And then if we're on the website, you can see no video, right? So again, it's doing a really good job being able to find if this website has a video on site on the homepage, and essentially just outputs yes or no, because now we can reach out to people and say, hey, we do videos. I noticed you don't have a video on your site that explains what you do. Here's how we could help. Here's our portfolio, like that kind of thing, right? We're also using it here to judge the sophistication score of the site as well. It's saying analyze a screenshot and score it based on how sophisticated it is. Now, this is still very much a work in progress by all means. Like there's no, this isn't perfect. Like I think adding more context as to what a good website is and what a bad website is and training the model just a little bit is going to help it a lot, because it has zero context as to what a good website is and what isn't. So this is what we put for the time being. I would say that this is a little bit less accurate. It's still good, but less accurate. But I think it's just because we need to tweak the prompt around what that actually looks like. I just wanted to make a really quick video that shows some really cool functionality in Clay and with using AI that you probably haven't thought of. Essentially analyzing images by taking a screenshot to then understand whether or not that company has something that you could help out with, right? And it's just another way to qualify your prospects even more and to use AI at large scale to actually send way more relevant messaging, because obviously it makes sense. If someone doesn't have a video on their website and you offer a video, it's so much more likely to convert than just sending that to a massive list that you have no idea if they do or don't have a video, right? So you're going to get less spam complaints and you get more meetings, more responses, and hopefully more deals closed. I hope that's useful. If you're interested in building out these kinds of workflows for you so you can target really specific lists and just generate more meetings for you and more leads, then feel free to book in a call below. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.